Hey guys, my name is Grady Douglass. For this episode of Tool Tuesday, we're going to talk about two of my favorite leatherworking tools. This one here is called a bell knife skiver. It has a unique special round blade that's going to run by the leather as it pulls it across, and we'll take a full thickness piece of leather and skive it down. And skiving is going to thin it similar to a planer and allow us to roll an edge or bind an edge. We've done some adjustments to the machine to get it to do what we need, but we have a full thickness leather here, and we are soon gonna take this down and create a shoulder and an edge that we can roll across. So we've got a gas pedal, and as this blade spins, it is then going to thin our leather down. So as the leather runs through the machine, it is going to create for us a nice beveled edge that will allow us to roll it over similar to that and create a nice finished leather edge for your project. Our second leather machine is going to be a saddle stitcher. This machine, as you can see John over here sewing away, will allow us to bind pieces of leather together to stitch for various applications in the project. This particular machine will sew up to 7/8 of an inch of leather thick and is, as I have described to everyone already, somewhat of a Swiss Army knife of sewing machines. It allows us to stitch from very thin also to very thick, and in all of our bag making classes we're going to need to join or add pockets or do a rolled edge, which requires the use of a machine just like that. Thanks for joining us today. You got to see two of my favorite leather tools for Tool Tuesday, and we look forward to having you here at the Marc School of Woodwork.